Welcome to Science with a Side of Sarcasm. Probably the funniest, most entertaining science class you'll ever have. My name is Saki Scientist, and I'll be your guide through the wild and wacky world of the periodic table. Today, we're going to be talking about oxygen, the element that makes up 21% of the air we breathe. Without it, we'd all be dead. And let's face it, that would be a real downer for the rest of the class. I bet you are thinking, oh great, another boring science lesson. But with me as your teacher, you'll be laughing so hard you'll forget you're even learning. So, sit back, relax, and let's get this party started, oxygen style. Oxygen is a chemical element with the symbol O and atomic number 8. It's a member of the Chalcogen group on the periodic table, a highly reactive non-metal, and an oxidizing agent that readily forms oxides with most elements as well as other compounds. Oxygen is the third most abundant element in the universe after hydrogen and helium, and it makes up about 46.6% of the Earth's crust by weight. But oxygen isn't just important for us humans. It's also crucial for the survival of plants and animals. Without oxygen, photosynthesis wouldn't be possible and our planet would be a very different place. In fact, scientists believe that the rise of oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere was one of the key factors that led to the evolution of complex life forms. It's also important to note that oxygen is vital in the production of energy in our cells. And without oxygen, our cells would not be able to produce the energy needed for our bodies to function properly, leading to death in a matter of minutes. I know some of you may be thinking, that's all well and good, but what about the fun facts? Well, fear not my friends, because I've got some doozies for you. For example, did you know that liquid oxygen is a pale blue color and is extremely cold, with a boiling point of -183 degrees Celsius? That's colder than a witch's tit in a brass bra. And if that wasn't enough, oxygen is also used in rocket propellant and is the key component in the process of combustion, which is why it's used in everything from fire extinguishers to the engines of your car. And if you're ever in a room with a fire, remember that oxygen can actually make it worse by feeding the flames. Oxygen can be found in a lot of everyday items. For example, it's used in the production of steel and is also used in medical treatments such as oxygen therapy for people with respiratory illnesses. And let's not forget about the beauty industry. Oxygen facials are becoming increasingly popular and are said to give skin a healthy boost. But let's be real. We all know it's just a fancy way of saying breathing into a mask. But how does oxygen from the Earth's crust become a part of the air we breathe? It's through a process called weathering. Weathering is the process by which rocks and minerals are broken down by environmental factors such as water, heat, and chemical reactions. This process releases oxygen as a byproduct and helps to maintain a balance of oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere. For example, when water reacts with certain minerals such as iron oxide, it can release oxygen as a byproduct. In addition to photosynthesis and weathering, oxygen is also produced through volcanic activity, which releases gases including oxygen into the atmosphere. The combination of these natural processes work together to produce, replenish, and maintain the levels of oxygen we have in the air we breathe. Thanks for watching.